Everywhere I go, I seek out the adventure.
When we were kids in the backyard, playing astronauts and rock stars.
Park City is such a small town, and I can see why a lot of musicians want to come here and play in the more intimate setting and really connect with their audience.
Go to college for your plan B. What you want is too risky. Live for weekends and whiskey. We all got these big ideas. One day they're replaced with fears.
If I didn't love music, I don't think I would like touring, but I love touring. I think even with the no sleep, you're still just on such a high. I'll have days where I'll listen to old 70s classic singer-songwriter. You know, I grew up on the kind of older stuff, and that's what really inspired me to become a singer and love music.
Save it for sleep when you could be living your daydream.
My main source of creativity is just life experience. Everything I go through, I'm gonna write about it. A couple years ago, my life flipped upside down. My mom ended up passing away, and I ended up in Jackson Hole and got the opportunity to go horseback riding. And it was life-changing for me.
It's your daydream. It's your life that you're making.
After that trip, I couldn't stop smiling. It was like it reignited something inside of me, and I seek it out everywhere I go.
It's probably worth it.
You definitely have to have a balance, at least for me. I need a balance. I need to be able to get fresh air. I need to go and do other things that feel creative to be creative.
We failed to try, turning around before the finish line. Gotta fall for a minute before you can fly.
If I'm not out exploring and doing things and meeting people, then I'm not gonna have anything to write about. It gives me the perspective of life is short and you gotta do what you love and should be happy. I've become kind of addicted to sharing that message with people.
If it